Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your freelance services with Indeed. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Indeed website and create an account if you haven't already. Log in using your credentials. Navigate to the top menu and select Post a Job. Fill in the details of the freelance service you offer. Choose the appropriate category that best fits your service. Write a compelling job title that captures attention immediately. In the job description, highlight your skills, expertise, and what makes you stand out. Specify your location or indicate if the job is remote. Set your budget for the project or hourly rate. Select the duration of the project or the expected delivery timeline. Review your listing for any errors or missing information. Once satisfied, click on Post Job. Monitor responses and inquiries through your dashboard. Engage promptly with potential clients to answer questions. Update your profile regularly with testimonials and portfolio samples. Adjust your listings as needed to optimize for search results. Consider using Indeed's promotional tools for better visibility. Regularly check analytics to understand what attracts clients. Stay informed on industry trends to improve your offerings. Leverage client feedback to enhance your service quality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.